Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic and Onyx, and we're unboxing BoxyCharm for November. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It is about $25 a month, including shipping, and you get 5 full-size products. You get this postcard, tells you what's in it. Tells you about the holiday sale. This tells you what's in it and all the values. And let's see, it looks like 30, 30, 42, 19, and 23. So well over what we paid for. Look, whoopsie. I'm sorry, guy. He's a little sleepy, but we'll see how he likes this stuff. So first thing that I grabbed is Refresh and Reset by Glow On Fifth Beauty Brightening Mud Mask. So, I use mud masks every once in a while. Not super often, but I do use them. And then what do we got here? Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of my brush cleaner, so this is perfect timing. And if they have an eye makeup remover. Here, let's see what this one is. Hey Honey, I like their stuff. Lip balm. Nice. Close-up unbox. Okay. I use lip balm all the time, as you know. Okay, he is laying with his nose in the box. Onyx approves of the lip balm. Then we've got Trestique foundation stick. Refillable. Oh, that's cool. And the very last thing in here is Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Interesting. By Seraphine. Another close-up unboxing of that. So this is a lip and cheek palette. That's really pretty. Oh, Onyx likes it. He approves. That's what it looks like inside. The colors are kind of dark, but they should work for me for lip, and then if they sheer out, let's see. Let's see how they work. Oh, they do. They sheer out. Kind of dark, and then that's it sheared out. So that's cool. I'm just going to open the foundation one so we can see what that looks like. Onyx is not very interested in any of this today, so I'm very sorry. Oh, here's the foundation stick. That's cool. Okay, sort of likes that. Sort of. So you got your foundation in there, and it's refillable. Very cool. Oops, as I smush it. Okay, so this is Onyx's favorite out of everything. So very cool. I will definitely use these products. I like that this is refillable. I definitely needed brush cleaner already, so very happy with this box. So what do you think? Do you get BoxyCharm? Do you like Onyx? Did you get something different in your box? Does Onyx seem too sleepy today? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.